बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 7th। कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर फाइन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैग्नेट्स के बारे में और मैग्नेट्स की जो फोर्स होती है दैट इज़ मैग्नेटिज़्म उसके बारे में पढ़ा था, ठीक है। और किस तरह से जो है पीस ऑफ आयरन और स्टील वो परमानेंट मैग्नेट्स बन जाते हैं आफ्टर द मैग्नेटाइजेशन, और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास होने से इलेक्ट्रिक वायर हैज़ बिकम electromagnet also. Then we studied the uses of these magnets, that where the permanent magnets has been used and the electromagnets are used. Then we studied the different properties of magnets, that is the similar pole of a magnets repel each other and the opposite poles of a magnets attract each other, and when we suspended a bar magnet into a freely falling position, then it align itself into a NS position, and the north seeking pole is called as N pole and the S seeking pole is called as S pole. Similarly, we studied that the magnetism, that is the attraction force of a magnet, is stronger at its poles and it is very weak at its center, and this property was studied when we dip this bar magnet into the piece of iron fillings, and the sticking of these iron pieces was much more at the poles and very less at the center. Then we studied about the magnetic fields, and these magnetic fields we cannot see about around the magnets. These magnetic fields we cannot see them around the magnet, but we can draw them by a needle which is called as compass needle, and we studied about the different pattern of these magnetic fields when magnets are similar, different poles of a magnet are placed opposite to one another, and when different poles of a magnets are placed parallel to one another, and similar poles of a magnets when they are placed opposite to one another, and we studied also when different similar poles of magnets are placed parallel to one another. Today we will study about the magnetic induction. Magnetic induction is simply the property of a piece of iron or steel. When the piece of iron or steel are placed near to a magnet, we see that these pieces of iron or steel are attracted towards the magnet. How they are attracted? When we place a piece of iron towards a permanent magnet, this magnet aligns the domains of the iron or steel in such a way that close to the north pole the piece of iron or steel become a south pole, and away part of the iron or steel has become a north pole. Similarly, over here we see a piece of steel which is placed near to a bar magnet, and we see over here, due to the influence of this magnet on the steel piece, the steel has also become a magnet. That is why the steel or iron is attracted towards the magnet, because after we expose the piece of iron or steel to the magnet, the iron and steel, the domains inside the iron and steel has been aligned along the magnet. And how they are aligned, that is the north pole of the magnet aligns the fields of the steel or magnet as south towards it and attract it, and this is called as induced magnetism. Now the poles which are induced poles closest to the north pole will be called as the south induced pole, and the pole which is closer, if it is closer to the south pole, then the induced north pole will be called as induced north pole. When these pieces of iron and steels are pulled away from the magnet, यानी अगर हम इन पीसेस को आयरन से अब दूर हटा दें जिसकी वजह से ये मैग्नेट बन गए थे, तो ये अपनी मैग्नेटिज्म को खो बैठेंगे, तब इनको हम बोलते हैं टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट्स। और अगर हम आयरन और स्टील को कंपेयर करें तो आयरन जो है वो फ़ौरन से इस इंड्यूस मैग्नेटिज्म को लूज़ कर देता है, इसलिए इसको टेम्परेरी मैग्नेट बोलते हैं, जबकि स्टील जो है वो इस प्रॉपर्टी को कुछ देर तक रिटेन रखता है, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं परमानेंट मैग्नेट। सो व्हेन द pieces of iron is pulled away from the magnet, it loses its induced magnetism and it is called as temporary magnet. However, when steel is used, it keeps some of the magnetic property or magnetism and it becomes a permanent magnet. होप सो बच्चों आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा। इसको आप मेमोराइज करें और अपनी कॉपीज़ पे लिखें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।